Okay, so we are going to work through these example problems really quick, and I apologize in advance for the writing because my stylus, its battery's dead and I need to get this posted. So we're going to do the best that I can, but bear with me. So we're going to find the first differences here on this table. So to go from -1 to 0, you add 1, and to go from 0 to 1, you add 1. And from 1 to 2, you add 1, and so forth. And we have a constant value in our first differences, and so this one here is linear. Okay, and we're going to move on over here to the second one. So 2 to 6 is adding 4, and from 6 to 18 is, what is that, 12? Yeah. And from 18 to 54 is, I want to say 36, I think. And then from 54 to 162 is 126. And you can kind of look here and tell that we are multiplying by 3. That's terrible. We're multiplying by 3 every single time. So number 2 here is an exponential. We're going to abbreviate. Alright, so now we're going to scroll on up here. Question 3. To get from 3 to -2, we have to subtract 5. And to get from -2 to -3, you're subtracting 1. And then we added 3. And then we added 7. And there's no pattern there that I can see. From -5 to -4, you're adding 4. From -1 to 3, we added 4. And then this one, it looks like we're adding 4 again. So that's a constant. Those 4 is obviously constant. This is a quadratic, because the second differences are all the same number. We move over to question 4. 3 to -1 is subtracting 4. And then this one here, we added 3 back on, then we added 2, and then it looks like we subtracted 3. No pattern. 4 to 3 is adding 7, but then we subtracted 1, and then 2 to -3 is -5. So there's no constants here in my first difference column. I'm going to use my highlighter. First difference column right here, they're not the same number, and we're also not multiplying by the same number. So it's not linear and it's not exponential. In my second differences column right here, it's not constant at all, so it's not quadratic. So number 4 is none. And that's it, all we had to do.